In this video we will learn about the soap and detergents and their differences. If we talk about the soap, then soap are formed by the reaction of sodium hydroxide with vegetable oil or animal fat, and this process is called saponification. This process of making soap is called saponification. If we talk about the soap molecules, they are polar in nature, means they have two different scenes. If we draw a soap molecule, then it will look like it is having two different poles. One is hydro one is hydrophilic, and another is hydrophobic, means hydrophobic. Hydrophobic means water fearing. Hydrophilic means water loving. Soap molecules have two different scents. One is hydrophobic and another is hydrophilic, and this is why the soap works as a cleaning agent. It cleans the dirts. If we look at their arrangements, then the arrangements inside the water are such that their arrangement inside the water is very different, and this arrangement is called micelle. We will talk about this now. Arrangement of soap molecules. Soap molecules inside the water is such that their hydrophilic ends remains in the water. पानी में ही रहता है, in the water. एंड हाइड्रोफोबिक, जिसको पानी से डर लगता है, उसके मॉलिक्यूल्स के दो एंड्स हैं, एक पानी में रहना चाहता है, एक पानी से दूर भागना चाहता है. तो रिमेन्स इन द वाटर. एंड हाइड्रोफोबिक एंड्स, ये हमें सेल के स्ट्रक्चर में भी देखने को मिलता है. हाइड्रोफोबिक एंड्स मूव अवे towards the oil containing dust. This arrangement is called micelle. अगर हम एक micelle की स्ट्रक्चर बनाना चाहें, तो if we look at inside the water about the soap molecules, so there, if it is water and if anywhere there is a oil containing dust, and the soap molecules arrange themselves such a way that their hydrophilic ends remains in the water. And hydrophobics move towards the oils. If you talk about this portion, this is oil, and the portion of molecule which is in the water, this is hydrophobic, hydrophilic end, hydrophilic end. And the part which is inside the oil, which is not in water, that this part is hydrophobic end, hydrophobic end. And this structure hydrophobic end, and this entire part is called micelle. This is about the soap. If we talk about the detergents, then they are almost same as soaps. If we talk about detergents, but their components are different. Detergents are formed by detergents are formed by the reaction of sodium hydroxide NaOH with sulfonic acid. Simply, it is sufficient, and there are cleansing actions same as it forms micelle, almost same about the, but they have differences. We will discuss about the differences of soap and detergents. Differences of between soap and detergents. क्या डिफरेंस है दोनों में? Differences of soap and detergents. We will draw a line in the mid. Then we will mention the soap, here detergents. First difference is soaps are formed by the reaction of, same definition, reaction of sodium hydroxide with vegetable oil or animal fat. Vegetable oil or animal fat. And detergents, two detergents are formed by the reaction of sodium hydroxide with सल्फोनिक एसिड. पहला चीज़ तो ये हो गया. दूसरा की बात करें तो सोप जो होते हैं, अगर वाटर हार्ड मतलब कुछ उसमें ऐसे साल्ट है, मैग्नीशियम के, कैल्शियम के, तो उस कंडीशन में सोप जो होता है नहीं काम करता है. स्कम का फॉर्मेशन मतलब एक प्रिसिपिटेट वाइट कलर का फॉर्म करता है और कपड़ों की धुलाई सही से नहीं होती है. मतलब हार्ड वाटर में सोप इज नॉट इफेक्टिव इन हार्ड वाटर. और डिटर्जेंट भाई साहब कहीं काम कर देगा. डिटर्जेंट इज इफेक्टिव in hard water, hard water. And the third and very important, that soap are biodegradable. Biodegradable means they can be converted into their basic components, which is good for the environment. And so soap are, this is the good fact about the soap, that soaps are biodegradable. Soaps are biodegradable डेबल, ये वापस डिकम्पोज हो सकते हैं अपने बेसिक कंपोनेंट्स में, जिससे कि वाटर पोल्यूशन नहीं होगा. और बात करें डिटर्जेंट्स की, तो मोस्टली डिटर्जेंट्स आर नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल. मोस्टली डिटर्जेंट्स आर, हैं कुछ ऐसा नहीं है मोस्टली, बट मोस्टली डिटर्जेंट्स आर नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल. And this is the three differences between soap and detergents, and this is sufficient. Degradable.